I think 2020 makes it difficult to predict anything with confidence. Many things that were on track to happen in 2020 didn't quite happen to the same extent because regulators were naturally concentrating on their response to the pandemic. But I think importantly, that doesn't mean that tech-associated risks are diminished or off the enforcement agenda. So overall, I predict more of the same, a continued trend in tech-related enforcement and litigation. I think from an enforcement perspective, the enforcement teams, whether they get data privacy authorities, competition authorities, or even financial services regulators, I think they will be selective and strategic in deciding which cases to advance because of the fact that they're balancing numerous priorities in view of the ongoing pandemic. But the headline prediction is that there will be continued scrutiny of data. So whether that be from a consumer detriment perspective or from a competition perspective in terms of how data is used to enhance perceived market power, or whether businesses have sufficiently robust systems and controls and security measures in place to protect data. My more specific prediction for 2021 and beyond is that AI-related risk remains one to watch. So this is certainly an area of concern from the perspective of the authorities. I think we've all seen the fact that the ICO and other data privacy authorities have done a huge amount of thinking in this area, but notably others are engaging as well, including through a potential enforcement lens. So, for example, the Competition and Markets Authority are focusing on a greater understanding of algorithmic harms and how they can be addressed. We're also seeing in the context of litigation a number of interesting cases on foot, which seek to test what it means to be able to explain your AI or algorithms. So I'm thinking about Foundum's case against Google and the robo-firing claims relating to Uber. I think the question is, why do I think there may be more AI litigation? And I think in essence, it's because it's such an emotive topic. Almost everyone has a view or reaction to AI, or certainly questions about what AI is, can be used, and whether it is at risk of being discriminatory, unfair, or exclusionary. And so in that respect, it has the real impact on people's lives, or certainly the potential to have a real impact on people's lives. And so in view of this, I think we'll see an uptick in high profile and large scale AI litigation for the year to come.